this is completely off, no central heating. Press select. This will go into the programmer and it will follow the programmed times which you set on this programmer. Once will come on at the earliest time on the programmer and then go off at the final time for the day on the programmer. And on is just permanently on, and it only uses the room thermostat to switch the boiler on and off. So to switch between them, just press the select button on the left. So completely off, no central heating but hot water. Follow the timed slots, so 3 slots a day, from the start of the first slot all day until the end of the last slot, and then just permanently on, no programmer. That's it.